Hey everyone, my name is Deja. Welcome to my channel that is based on DIY projects about planning, organizing, cooking, and home decor while saving you more money. Also, if you are new, welcome. And if you would like to join my channel, just hit that red subscribe button and also hit notification bells. Hey guys, as you're in the title, this is Extreme Kitchen Makeover Part 1. Super excited, and right now I'm just showing you the pictures and also the videos of the before I actually get to doing the renovations, I guess, like the makeover of me doing the kitchen. Super excited. You can really tell within the video of like the before pictures and videos and the after, pictures and videos. So just stay tuned and let's get right into doing this extreme kitchen makeover part 1. Here we go. this is what I got done so far. I am loving it, and I can't wait for the kitchen to be done. But yeah, so this will be a part 1 to the kitchen, sorry, extreme kitchen makeover, however you want to say that. But I have in the title is corrected. So, but right now I am on to doing the backsplash. So I'll, like I said, come back and show you the finished results to all of this when I get done with it. Okay. So this is the finished results that I have for this part 1 for extreme kitchen makeover. As you can see, I still have a little bit more to do, touch-ups and all that type of stuff. So super excited, can't wait. So yeah, but I have a little more to do. So guys, I will catch you guys on the next one.